Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tech. Today we will be discussing how to log into your ChatGPT account on your Mac. Before we get started, it's worth noting that this feature is only available on M-series Macs, and not Intel-based Macs. Alright, let's dive in. The first thing we need to do is click on the Apple logo in the top left-hand corner of your screen. Then you want to click into System Settings. Once you're inside System Settings, look for Apple Intelligence and Siri in the left-hand side menu and click on it. Then, scroll all the way to the bottom until you find Extensions. You should see the ChatGPT extension there. Click into that extension. If you haven't set up ChatGPT already, you'll see a setup button at the top. Go through those initial setup steps. Once you've done that, you should see the ChatGPT settings. Now to sign into your account, simply click on Sign In on ChatGPT account. This is going to redirect you to the OpenAI website. If you already have an account, click on Login just below the Create button. Then go ahead and log into your ChatGPT account just as you normally would. Once you've logged in, you should see your information displayed there. Now we know we're logged in. You can exit out of these system settings. And that's it. You can now start using ChatGPT on your Mac, just as you normally would. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Rome Tech for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.